What's going on, everybody? Gonna be working on the wife's brand new Redcat Scout 2 today. We're just gonna put a few little body accessories on, not too much, because some of these decals just look kind of cheap and just fake. So uh, I got these. Let's see if you can see them here. Probably can't see too well, but they're just plastic door handles. We're gonna put on there. Put those on, and then I have, what else we got here? Then I bought these windshield wipers from Enjora. I've had them forever. I just haven't put them on anything. So I've figured they will fit on this big wide windshield on this thing pretty well. So yeah, they'll look pretty good. And then the gas cap also, it's just a sticker. Kind of looks cheap. I have a gas cap. I just don't know if I'm going to put it on yet. I'll figure that later. And then I didn't go over too many things on this yet because I'm new to the Redcat. But I figured out how to get the body off. And it is Velcroed on, which is a pain in the butt to get off. So I will be changing that. They do, somebody I can't remember, they make a clipless system, which I'll probably be getting that one. Or you can take the Velcro off and put magnets on. And I can't remember the company they said they recommended for the magnets. I think it was Dry Earth or something like that. So, but I'll be getting that clipless system because that'll be the easiest. But one thing about the Velcro, it does not come off. That body ain't coming off whatsoever. So that'd be good if you was rolling down a hill a bunch of times. But yeah, try to keep from that. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to get that all done, and then I'll be back, and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, guys. Got the door handles installed on here. Get a clear picture here. I'll put a before and after picture up so you can see the difference. Which I think that makes it look a lot better. No, it's kind of hard. There we go. Kind of hard to see with that purple. And then I got the windshield wipers installed on here. Which I think them look real good. But those things are a pain in the butt to put together. So if you don't have any patience, I probably wouldn't try them. Because you'll probably end up cussing and throwing stuff. But they look good though after you get them all put together. But man, them screws and everything are small. But I'll have a before and after picture of these also. Sorry for that bright light, kind of glares. But yeah, that looks good for the first upgrade. Next thing we'll probably be getting some wheels for it. Add a little weight. Probably going to keep these IROCs and see how they work out. I got the IROCs on my Bronco, but I think they're the RC four-wheel drive brand. I'm not really sure who made these ones because they got the tread pattern's the same, but they're a little different. They're a little more spread out here in between the lugs on these compared to the ones on the Bronco. But other than that, it looks good. And also on this, it has 3 different settings you can put for your wheelbase. So you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. But it's got 3 different holes here. And then it has 2 different holes up here on this link bracket here. There's a hole right there. So yeah, you can make your wheelbases longer or shorter if you want to. So that's pretty cool. And then you can adjust your shock towers too. It's got different shock towers holes, so you can adjust those. Which there you can see the Velcro a little bit. So yeah, it's pretty well made RC crawler. I think it's going to be a real good one. But alright guys, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. Like or subscribe.